your smile, is one of the first things people notice about you. So, it's no wonder that a receding hairline or thinning hair can be a cause for concern. But what about your teeth? If your gums are receding, it can be a sign of an underlying health condition or simply a result of aging. There are a number of reasons why your gums may be receding, but luckily, there are also a number of ways to fix the problem. Here are 5 causes of receding gums and their fixes. Gum disease. Gum disease is one of the most common causes of receding gums. If you have gum disease, your gums may become inflamed and bleed easily. This can lead to the gum tissue receding away from your teeth, exposing the roots. The good news is that gum disease is treatable. If you have gum disease, your dentist may recommend a deep cleaning to remove the plaque and tartar from your teeth and gums. They may also prescribe antibiotics to help clear the infection. Brushing too hard. Brushing your teeth too hard can damage the gum tissue and cause it to recede. If you're brushing too hard, your gums may bleed or become sore. To avoid damaging your gums, use a soft bristled toothbrush and be gentle when brushing. Teeth grinding. Teeth grinding, bruxism, is another common cause of receding gums. When you grind your teeth, it puts pressure on the gum tissue and can cause it to recede. If you grind your teeth, your dentist may recommend wearing a mouthguard at night to protect your teeth and gums. Aging. As you age, your gums may naturally recede due to the loss of collagen and elastin in the tissue. This can make your teeth appear longer than they actually are. Genetics. Receding gums can also be caused by genetics. If your parents or grandparents had receding gums, you may be more likely to have the condition. If your teeth are receding, it's important to see your dentist so they can determine the cause. They can then recommend the best treatment to help stop the problem and protect your teeth. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and subscribe to the channel, because there will be more meaningful and valuable tips coming after this video. And if you have any questions, please leave them in the video's comment section. And thank you very much for watching.